Hey everyone, it's Trent. So I received this mouse detail sander from the brand. I requested it because I'm going to work on a project. I want to show you how I'm using that. Honestly, I feel like it's one of those tools that make you feel more confident on DIY projects. It's compact, it's lightweight. It only weighs 2.5 pounds and it's super easy to handle. It even works with smaller hands like mine. Power's tools can feel intimidated, especially for me. They're bulky or hard to control. Let me answer that right away. This one is beginner friendly and it's powerful. So what stood out to me is how comfortable this feels without needing to press down hard. Just let the tool do the work, and surprisingly, it's powerful for its size. I already added the sandpaper. It comes with 15 different sandpapers, 3 different sizes. You got a 240, a 120, and an 80. And what's nice is the instructions will tell you what you need. So if you really need coarse grit, that's the 60 to 80. That's like initial sanding on tougher surfaces, but it goes in the detail. Now I just want to lightly sand this, so I'm going with the 240 because I'm not used to doing it and I want to try it out. So it has the easy power button here, so it's got on and off. So I switch it on. Make sure you're well ventilated, and then you just let the tool run along. Super simple. And what's also nice is it has this dust collector that's attachable, so the dust goes right in to this catcher. You don't have to worry about dust flying. I'm doing this project in a bedroom. I have dust from the work going right into the catcher, and it's super easy to switch the sandpaper. So you just peel it off, pick your other one that you want to use. I'm using the 80 one now. Make sure that you have the felty side against the sander, and you just apply it on. Make sure it's lined up and you're ready to go again. I also like about the sander is you can get into the small grooves in the tight areas. It makes it really easy to use. If you've ever avoided sanding projects because the tools felt too big or overwhelming, this is probably for you. It's been simple, it's been effective, easy to use, honestly, kind of fun to use. I think you will love it.